to talk about our new UC mobile application for the Google Android mobile device. I'm going to walk you through a brief presentation of this new upcoming supported device for our award-winning mobile unified communication software. Please feel free to visit us at www.estnetec.com for more detailed information, and I hope you enjoy this session. Today we're here to demonstrate the UC mobile application for the Google Android device. So the Google Android device allows you to download multiple applications that you can run on your Android phone. So the UC mobile client software, which is an application that talks to your Office PBX for dialing, presence, and messaging, leveraging the Estnetec UC server, is an easy download out of the Google Marketplace. It will officially be available in the Marketplace September 2009. For the demonstration purposes, I will show you our beta version. So you simply click on the Android application, which then would ask you what server you want to connect to, the port, the company, your user ID, and your password. Now what's interesting is right out of the box we have language options. So if I wanted to, I could change this to French, and now I have a French interface to my UC mobile application. So we support all these languages on release. And I'll go back to English because my English is a little bit stronger. I simply log in, and now right from my Google Android phone I'm actually in my office, and what I can do is I can click on sales and it will download an active view of my sales team, so I can see their live status and what their availability is. If I click here, I get to the main menu of the UC Mobile, and from my UC Mobile I can change my location, where I am, what my voicemail should play in terms of greetings, and how the phone system should connect to me. I can view my work groups that I deal with on a daily basis for dialing and doing live instant messaging. I can click on the company directory to view the organization. I can initiate a live instant message, secure instant message that's logged on our server. I can view my office calls to see who's called me and the calls I've made. I can make a phone call, and by making a phone call, I'm initiating a call on my Android, which will then tell my server back at the office to grab the PBX and dial for me. So I'm never making a long distance call or a call from my Android directly to someone, but it's always going through the Office PBX, leveraging least cost routing, lower cost of dialing, and control and audit purposes, because each call I make using this dial function is now logged on the server. So if I go to location, it shows me that I'm in office, I'm available, and what extension. If I want, I can click on here, change the device. Now let's say that I'm on my mobile phone. I can change my availability, or I can even change my location and say, well, I'm away on business, and by default my phone would change to that location. And you'll see there it automatically changed until my next scheduled event, right? Or I can change it for the next 10 minutes. I have all these options. I go okay. And again, if I want, I could go down here and initiate. I can click on my calls, and then this would show me all my incoming and outgoing calls. And from here I can initiate a phone call back. I can initiate a phone call by clicking dial, and then I can select who I want to dial. You see from here I can click on my company directory, and now it'll show me all the directories right out of my Active Directory because it's synced with the Estnetec UC server. I can click on departments, and now I can view all the departments within my organization, so I can initiate a phone call or again a secure instant message for the group. So I have a full communication pad that's integrated right into my UC mobile application that's loaded on my Google Android. So now I've linked Android directly into any PBX that I may have for enabling dialing, mobility, presence, and instant messaging right from my Android device. 2 years, as well as visit us online at our demo center or follow us on Twitter at Powered by Estnetec UC. You can visit us at Facebook at Unified Communications, or visit any one of our blogs at Blogger, and visit our YouTube channel at uCommunicate. And that was our presentation on Google's Android device integration with the Estnetec telephony office links through our mobile UC client software. I hope you found it interesting, and again, feel free to visit us at www.esnatech.com or follow us online at Twitter at Powered by Esna UC, or follow us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/Unified Communications.